What's up, YouTube? What's up, my subs? What do we got here, man? What do we got here? Let's see. Check it out. Check it out. The build is coming along, ever so slowly. And there's that fancy hard drive, 1.2 terabytes, $1,000. And the motherboard. Playing around with the cable management a little bit. Video cards haven't come in yet. Waiting on them. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe the next day. But in the meantime, I've been reading the manual. Trying to understand more about this motherboard and how it all works. I'm actually building this. You guys are going to have a laugh at this. I'm building this on my German Shepherd's cage. Luna. Come here, Luna. There's Luna. I've actually got this on top of the German Shepherd's cage while I try and build this. And a big light shining inside of it so you guys can see inside of it. Get your ball. Get your bottle. Get your ball. Get it. Get your ball. There you go. Crazy though. So how many people build a computer on top of a dog cage? It's got to be a first, huh? I actually keep flipping it around and moving things around. To get this particular Intel 550-750 series in here, I had to drill 2 holes from the other side with my Dremel and then screw it in. It seemed to work pretty good. I need to buy some modding cables. You know, some color to it would be kind of nice. But this will do for now. Oh, and by the way, this this Intel, the wires go behind the board. They come up over here, and this thing here is where it connects. This is where it connects to. So yeah. Power supply I'm running is an AX1500i. Way too much power. I probably don't even need that, but what the heck. RAM looks good sitting in there. Now when you actually pay attention to your RAM, make sure you read your manual before you put your RAM in. Because if you run 4 sticks like I'm doing instead of 8, you actually don't put them all in every single one. There's actually a certain order they go in. But your manual will tell you what that order is. If you run 8 sticks, then I guess you don't have to worry about that. But if you run 2 or 4, then you have to make sure you put them into the right ones. And they're all numbered. You know, from 1 to 8 basically. So you're looking at probably, I don't know, at least 4 or 5 hours messing around. You know, moving cables around, moving things around. Inside here, I got a 6 terabyte regular hard drive in here. That's what I got. So, and then I got to put in, I got to kind of figure out where I'm putting this yet. Samsung solid state tear drive. It's this one's 2 terabytes. Is what this one is. See? So she's 2 terabytes. I'm not sure where to put it. Maybe you guys can help me. If I put it there, I was thinking, you know, you're kind of in the way here of the SATA drives. Of course, there's only a couple of them. Or maybe here even. Maybe like go there. I'm not really completely sure yet. I'm still kind of messing around with it. So here's an update on the computer build, guys. Being built on a dog kennel. Woot! Catch you later.